Hello everyone, thank you once again for checking out my channel, Imperii Auto. This channel is about all things automotive, news, reviews, classics, and more. If you like what I'm doing, be sure and hit that subscribe button and throw me a like, I would greatly appreciate it. Today I wanted to talk about the new Jailbreak models from Dodge. We'll go into a little bit of the press information here, and I'll throw some photos up that FCA provided regarding the Jailbreak models, and then I'll give you a little bit of my own thoughts at the end. I actually owned a Challenger RT. I like these cars, and I thought this was kind of a cool thing that they're doing. All right, it starts out with Dodge brand breaks all the rules with Jailbreak model for 2022 Dodge Charger, Challenger, SRT Hellcat, Redeye, Widebody. Dodge brand is breaking all the rules, unlocking new unrestricted personalization options with new Jailbreak models for the 2022 Dodge Charger and Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebodies. The Jailbreak models unlock color combinations, ordering restrictions, and add new factory custom options to deliver enthusiasts the freedom to create a Dodge performance vehicle that perfectly fits their individual style. The Jailbreak models are the next step in the 2-year Dodge Never Lift campaign, which will launch a variety of new Dodge models and initiatives. You can check out more about the Dodge Never Lift 24 months of muscle calendar at dodgegarage.com/neverlift. I like that motto, never lift. That's good. It says here, roughly half of all Dodge customers modify their vehicles, says Tim Kuniskis. Did I say that right? Dodge brand Chief Executive Officer Stellantis. For those looking for increased performance, we will launch Direct Connection next month. I'm not quite sure what that is. Maybe like in-house extra tuning stuff. But for those looking for a unique appearance, we're going to let customers run through the styling archives. We're taking most of the parts and pieces we've used over the years, adding a few new ones, and letting customers build their own one-of-one. So if you're dreaming about owning a Stinger Yellow Challenger with brass monkey wheels, hammerhead gray seats, blue Brimbos, and red badges, I'm not sure we should, but we'll build it for you. I love Dodge. The new Jailbreak option package for 2022 Dodge Charger and Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody models, say that 7 times. Unlock ordering restrictions, freeing owners to mix and match from a full menu of features. Jailbreak models also include a unique Jailbreak badge on the instrument panel, and output on the SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody is bumped to 807 horsepower, thanks to a revised powertrain calibration. The Jailbreak model for Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody lets option combinations run wild in more than 20 categories, including 7 options for seats, stripes, and wheels, 6 brake caliper color options, 5 exterior badging finishes, 4 choices each of steering wheels, seatbelt colors, and floor mats, and much more. In addition to unlocking previously restricted color combos, Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak also unleashes new Jailbreak exclusive content options, including Hammerhead Gray Laguna leather seats, Hammerhead Gray floor mat accents, Hammerhead Gray Sepia and demonic red seatbelts, leather steering wheel and Alcantara steering wheel options with white SRT logo, copper weaver carbon fiber bezel finish, deck lid stripe and wide body side stripe, brass monkey satin chrome and red exterior badging finish, chrome fuel door finish, blue and yellow brake calipers, 20 by 11 inch warp speed satin carbon and lightweight low gloss granite wheels, yada yada yada. And that's a bit of the Jailbreak option tweaks for the Challenger. Let's see what it says about the Charger. For the Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak model, option and feature combinations are also plentiful. Personalization paths run through 7 wheel options, 6 exterior stripe and brake caliper color offerings, 5 varieties of seats and exterior badging finishes, and 4 options of steering wheels, seatbelt colors, and floor mats. This purple one with gold wheels I have up on the screen with the black hood, that's pretty sexy, not gonna lie. And the exclusive Jailbreak content for the Charger is as follows. The same Hammerhead Gray Laguna leather seats, floor accents, and seat belts like the Challenger. Kind of the same stuff here. I'm not going to read all this again. I like this comment. Those who can't decide from among the wide array of features can opt for order combinations created by the Dodge Product Design Office, such as Old School and Brass Funky. The Brass Funky Charger Jailbreak Combines a Hellraisin exterior. That's the purple I mentioned earlier that I like. Hellraisin. Oh, I love you, Dodge. With Cephia Laguna leather seats, floor mat accents, carbon fiber bezels, suede headliner, and an Alcantara steering wheel with the white SRT logo on the interior. The exterior also features the 20x11 brass monkey wheels, so those gold kind of brass gold wheels I like. Brass monkey Hellcat grille, fender deck lid, blah, 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 blah. Additional recommended order combinations include Red Dawn, The Classic, Yin Yang, and more. And in closing from the press info, the 2022 Dodge Charger and Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Widebody Jailbreak option packages will be available for customer orders through dealerships in late fourth quarter 2021 at a U.S. manufacturer suggested retail price of $995. Now, this is interesting. I was not aware of this, but Dodge Power Broker dealers will be able to order and display jailbreak models in the showrooms. The new Dodge Power Brokers program, recently announced in tandem with the new Direct Connection Performance Parts line, will build a network of dealerships equipped with staff trained to deliver a performance-focused customer experience. That's pretty cool. I guess that's what that Direct Connection they mentioned earlier was. I kind of figured it's more aftermarket. Well, it wouldn't be aftermarket, I guess. It's in-house tuning stuff you can add to your Redeye. So just in closing, quickly my thoughts here. This isn't a long video today. I just thought this was cool and I wanted to put something up about it. I love Dodge's craziness. They don't care. I just love it. It's America. They're just cool. Let's be honest, that chassis is quite old. I'm pretty sure the Challenger and the Charger chassis derives from like a 90s Mercedes E-Class. If someone knows better, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm almost positive on that. Back from the old Chrysler-Benz merger back in the day. They've already announced that the Hellcat is going away in the next few years. Yeah, it's going to be a quote-unquote new EV muscle car. We'll see where that goes. There's not much that we can do about it. No, it's coming. I will say, though, I had a Challenger RT for a couple of years. I leased one, and it was a great car. I never had any problems with it. I mean, she's a big girl. Definitely could have used the the Scat Pack option, but at the time that was all that was available, and it actually got pretty good gas mileage with the cylinder deactivation. But it wasn't the fastest thing on earth, but it ran really well, and it sounded really good, and it had the look, and yeah, they're just cool cars. Again, they're getting long in the tooth. I'm guessing the 2024 end will be a total refresh, which it's long overdue. But good on you, Dodge, for just milking these platforms for all they're worth all these years later. And they just keep coming up with more cool ideas. So anyway, I thought this was pretty cool. I wanted to throw a quick video up. Hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you as always for checking out my channel. If you like what I'm doing, throw me a like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And have a wonderful, wonderful day.